डॉक्टर साहब कृपया इंजेक्शन धीरे से दें।
Welcome to everyone. In this video, I will demonstrate the step-by-step preparation of a 3% sodium chloride solution in a 500 milliliters volume while following proper aseptic and safety procedures. First, I put on shoe covers to maintain a clean and controlled working environment. Next, I perform hand sanitization to minimize the risk of contamination and ensure compliance with infection control practices. After proper hand hygiene, I wear sterile gloves to maintain aseptic conditions throughout the preparation process. Now, I accurately weigh the required amount of sodium chloride using a calibrated weighing balance. Precise weighing is a critical step to ensure the correct final concentration of the solution. Once the sodium chloride has been weighed, I transfer it carefully and begin the dilution process. Using a 50 milliliter syringe, I gradually add and mix the required volume into a 500 milliliters container to prepare the desired 3% sodium chloride solution. Using a 50 milliliter syringe, I gradually add and mix the required volume into a 500 milliliters container to prepare the desired 3% sodium chloride solution. Throughout the process, careful handling, accurate measurements, and proper mixing techniques are followed to achieve a uniform and correctly prepared solution. Finally, after complete dissolution and thorough mixing, the 3% sodium chloride solution is ready. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more pharmaceutical and laboratory preparation tutorials.